Hey guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. So we're currently on vacation right now. We're in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's so beautiful out here. We're actually going to be heading home back tomorrow, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I carry on my kids' carry-on bag. I'm going to give you guys some ideas, and hopefully this will be helpful for your trip. Do you guys want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you guys eating?
We eat yogurt.
Ooh, is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, then, yes, Mommy. Because we like cookies and gummies, then we buy these new LOLs. An airplane!
I know, we're actually right near the airport, so we see the airplanes flying by the hotel all the time. And the kids really love it, right?
Yeah.
So for the kids' carry-on bags, they actually use their backpacks from school. So this is Bella's bag right now. I'm going to be showing you guys. Both Melanie and Josiah both use their backpacks as well. So in each carry-on bag, the kids are going to be carrying a Ziploc bag with some snacks in it. And these are some snacks that they normally don't eat throughout the year. It's actually kind of like a treat for them, so it makes the trip a little bit more fun. So what they normally have is they're going to be carrying an apple, two things are Pringles, some Chips Ahoy, and a granola bar. I'm also going to make some sandwiches right before we leave. And I also let them have either some gummy bears or some chewing gum or some lollipops to help them with their ears. The girls especially, they complain a lot when we're landing, so they usually chew on bubble gum or some gummy bears which help them with their ears. Each kid is also going to get a water bottle so we can put some water right before we go on the plane. Last time Melanie had some orange juice and she spilled it all over me right when we were sitting on the plane. So whenever we get drinks, we're going to put all the juices or drinks right in here. So these are the activities I normally pack in the girls' carry-on bags. They're going to be taking a grab to go, which I got from the Dollar Tree. Just has some stickers, some activities, and some crayons. And Bella loves to read, so she's going to be taking a few books of her to read on the plane.
Thank you, Mama.
And then we also got this from the dollar store. It's a sticker book, which has some activities to do as well, which she's going to love. And then I'm also packing a couple of coloring books here that she's going to be able to color with some crayons that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And yes, my girls are obsessed with LOL, so they're going to be able to play with just one LOL in their carry-on bag so we don't lose that many pieces. And the kids do take one stuffy on their airplane to help them stay relaxed and comfortable. And they do take naps, so this is one of Bella's favorite stuffed animals she's going to take with her. I also got this sketch-a-doodle from the Dollar Tree, and the girls love writing and learning how to do their letters in addition, especially Bella. She's learning how to do math, so this is definitely something she's definitely going to use. She's already been using it, as you guys can tell, so I know this is going to keep her entertained on the airplane. The girls are also going to be taking some Play-Doh to play with. This is definitely going to keep them entertained, and I know they're going to just love making some animals with these. And of course, we're taking their tablet and their headphones with us. After they were done coloring and doing all their other activities, they wanted to play with their tablets, and they actually used this for a pretty long time. This was actually a lifesaver for us. And once they were done using their tablets, they used their headphones to watch movies on the airplane and play games and watch shows. So these are a must-have, you guys. Also, in each carry-on bag, I actually have an extra change of clothes for each kid, and they have it in this little Ziploc bag, and they each have an extra pair of underwear, a shirt, some shorts, and some pants. And they also have a sweater because sometimes the airplane does get a little chilly, so they all have a sweater that they're going to be keeping in their carry-on bag in case they need to change. And Melanie also carries the same exact item. She also has a tablet, she has her own headphones, she has a green water bottle and her own little stuffy, and she also has a Trolls coloring book and a pink sticker book. So everything that you see here is exactly what Melanie carries, but just in different colors. And as for my teenager Josiah, he actually does his backpack on his own. I do look at it right before I go on the plane just to make sure he has everything in there, but he normally packs his own clothes. I normally don't like to bother him with that, so I usually leave that to him. But he does also get the same exact snacks and water bottle that the girls are getting as well. And he does carry some headphones because he's all about watching movies on the plane and watching shows. So these are his headphones that he uses. And then he does do the crossword puzzle to keep him entertained. And he loves reading these DC comics. So this is the book that he's going to be carrying that he did carry last time. So he's going to be reading through all this stuff. And of course, he's also carrying a light jacket just in case it gets cold in the airplane or once we get off the airplane, because sometimes we're coming from a hot place to a cold place and we're going back up north, so it might be a little chilly. So we've been doing a lot of traveling, especially with the whole family, and one thing that I've learned is that if you lay everything out on your bed, on the table, it definitely makes you realize what you're carrying and what you have and what you're missing. And laying everything out makes me remember things like, oh shoot, did I forget the wipes or did I forget the hand sanitizer? So this is definitely a helpful tip. Lay everything out right before you put it right in your bag. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys are new to my channel, definitely subscribe. It's totally free. And if you guys love traveling, definitely hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!